Hello, this is my assignment for Data Structure Lab number 2. Here I wrote a program which implements a linked list data structure and allows the user to perform operations such as adding, deleting, searching, and printing nodes in the list. And now I will explain how I wrote it down. So first of all, the program, it begins by including the iOS stream library, which will allow the input and output operations that I will do using syn and cout. And then in the line 2, the namespace std, it makes it easier to call standard functions like cout and syn without having to prefix them with std. And then after that, the node is being written, and it defines the node structure representing each element in the linked list. It has integer data and node next, like a pointer to the next node in the list, and integer data, it's like it stores the value of the node. And then after that, in 10th line, it's about linked list class, which encapsulates the linked list and contains a private member head, which points to the first node of the list. After that, I have used constructor. It initializes the head to null ptr, indicating that the list is empty when it is first created. After that, I started adding nodes, and then it has the add function, which creates a new node with a given value and adds it to the end of the linked list. So if the list is empty, the new node becomes the head. And then the loop that I used over here is the while loop, which traverses the list until it reaches the last node where the new node is added. After that, after adding the new node, I added the function to delete the node in the 40th line. And over there, the delete function removes a node with the specified value from the list. And the loop I used over there, it's the while loop. It's used to search through the list for the node that contains the specified value. So the function handles edge cases such as deleting the head node or when the value is not found. And then after that, I have written about searching the values. So the search function traverses the list to find the node with the specified value and returns true if found and false if it's not found. It is mentioned in 58th and the 64th line. After that, I have written about printing the list. So the print function outputs the value of all nodes in the linked list, and the loop that I used is the while loop, which is used to traverse through the list and print each node's value. After that, I have written about clearing the list, which is mentioned in the line 1 of 4. And here the clear function deletes all the nodes in the list to free memory and sets head back to null ptr. And the loop I used over here is the while loop, which goes through each node, deletes it, and moves to the next node until the list is empty. After that, I finally used the main function and user interaction, where the main function provides a menu-driven interface for the user to interact with the program, and the user can add a node or delete a node or search for a value in the list or print the list or exit the program. And it has my name as well over here in 122nd line. And the case over here, it's the switch case, so it's like a switch statement which is used to handle different options. And the loop I used over here is the do while loop, which keeps prompting the user for input until they choose to exit by selecting option 5, which is also used for exiting. And then when you run this code, the output that you will get, it will be like by Hani Habib, and then welcome to linked list program. And then so first what I did is that it gave me option to enter my choice from the menu, like add, delete, search, print, exit. So I entered my choice number 1, and then the value I added was 10, and then the value that I added was added successfully. After that, the number I chose was number 1 again, and then I added another value which was number 20. After that, I chose number 3 and then the number 10 again, and it performed the action of searching the value 10 in the list, and then it successfully found the value that I was searching for. After that, I chose number 2, and the value I chose to delete was 20. So the value 20 was deleted successfully. And then I have got 2 left, so I added my choice number 4, and the linked list was 10. So after everything, like number 20 was deleted, only 10 was left, so I got number 10. And then in the end, I just chose number 5 to exit my code, and then my code was exited, and then it ended.